Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Discount tire and wheel specialists vendor. Our stores and our employees are not trained to install lifts. We focus on wheels and tires at our retail locations so we can get you in and out quickly and so we can give you an honest recommendation for other things if they need to be done. Alignment, brakes, etc.
Let's help you make your mark.
Lift kits can damage your truck if they're installed incorrectly and speed up the wear and tear process. Many lift kits will void warranties that came with new trucks, so read the fine print before you make any decisions. Lift kits can also affect the steering and handling of the truck.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.